What is your name?
My name is Lakshmipriya Behera.
Where are you from?
I am from Bhubaneswar.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 7.
What do you want to become?
I want to become an aeronautical engineer.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you translate anything?
Yes, I can translate anything.
ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିପାରିବି।
I can speak English.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିପାରିବ।
You can speak English.
ସେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିପାରିବ।
He can speak English.
ସେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ଉଚିତ।
He should speak English.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ଉଚିତ।
You should speak
ତୁମକୁ
English.
ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
You have to speak English.
ତୁମକୁ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡେ କି?
Do you have to speak English?
ହଁ ମତେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡେ।
Yes, I have to speak English.
ମତେ କୋଚିଂ ରେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡେ।
I have to speak English in the coaching.
ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ କାହିଁକି ଅଛ?
Why are you here?
ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଅଛି।
I am here to learn English.
ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ କହୁଥିଲି।
I was speaking English.
ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଇଂଲିଶ କହୁଥିଲ?
Why are you speaking
ତୁମେ
English?
ଇଂଲିଶ କହୁଥିଲ କି?
Why are you speaking
ତୁମେ
English?
କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଅ?
When do you go to
ମୁଁ
school?
9ଟାରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଏ।
I go to school at 9
ମୁଁ
o'clock.
ସ୍କୁଲ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହେଁ।
I want to go to school.
ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପସନ୍ଦ କର?
Why do you like to speak English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପସନ୍ଦ କର କି?
Do you like to speak English?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ।
Yes, I like to speak English.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କୁହ କି?
Do you speak English?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ କୁହେ।
Yes, I speak
ମୁଁ
English.
ଇଂଲିଶ କହୁଅଛି।
I am
ମୁଁ
speaking.
ରେଡି ଅଛି।
I am ready.
ତୁମେ ରେଡି ଅଛ।
You are
ସେ
ready.
ରେଡି ଅଛି।
He is
ସେ
ready.
ରେଡି ଥିଲା।
You are
ମୁଁ
ready.
ମାର୍କେଟ ରେ
I
ଅଛି।
am in the market.
ତୁମେ ମାର୍କେଟ ରେ ଅଛ।
You are in the
ତୁମେ
market.
କାହିଁକି ମାର୍କେଟ ରେ ଅଛ?
Why are you in the market?
ମୁଁ ମାର୍କେଟ ରେ ଅଛି କାରଣ ମୋର କିଛି କାମ ଅଛି।
I am in the market because I have some work.
ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଟିଚର।
I am a teacher.
ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଟିଚର ନୁହେଁ।
I am not a
ତୁମେ ଜଣେ
teacher.
ଡକ୍ଟର କି?
Are you a doctor?
ନା ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଡକ୍ଟର ନୁହେଁ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ।
No, I am not a doctor. I am a student.
ତୁମେ ସେଟାକୁ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ।
You should go there.
ତୁମେ ସେଟାକୁ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ।
You should not go there.
ସେଟାକୁ ଯାଅ।
Go there.
ସେଟାକୁ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ।
Don't go there.
ଏଠାକୁ ଆସ।
Come here.
ମୁଁ ସେଟାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ ନାହିଁ।
I don't like to go there.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପସନ୍ଦ କର କି?
Do you like to speak English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କୁହ କି?
Do you speak English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଲ କି?
Did you speak?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବ କି?
Will you speak English?
ତୁମେ କିପରି ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବ?
How will you speak English?
ତୁମେ କିପରି ପୁରୀ ଯିବ?
How will you go to Puri?
ତୁମେ ପୁରୀ ଯାଇପାରିବ କି?
Can you go to Puri?
ତୁମେ ପୁରୀ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ।
You should not go to Puri.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ।
You should not speak English.
ତୁମକୁ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା।
You had to speak English.
ମତେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା।
I had to speak English.
ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ଅଛି।
I am here.
ମୁଁ ସେଠାରେ ଅଛି।
I am there.
ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ ଅଛ।
You are
ତୁମେ
there.
ଏଠାରେ ଥିଲ।
You are
ତୁମେ
here.
ମାର୍କେଟ ରେ ଥିଲ।
You are
ତୁମେ
you are
କ୍ଲାସ
in
ରେ
the
ଅଛ।
market. You are in the class.
ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛ?
Why are you in the class?
କିଏ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛି?
Who is in the
ମୋ
class?
ଭାଇ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛି।
My brother is
କିଏ
in the
କ୍ରିକେଟ
class.
ଖେଳୁ
Who
ଅଛି?
is playing cricket?
କିଏ ସେଠାରେ ଅଛି?
Who is
Who is there? କିଏ ସେଠାରେ ଥିଲା?
Who was there?
ସେଠାରେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା। My friend was there.
was there.
My friend was there. ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଅଛି।
I am playing.
ତୁମେ ଖେଳୁଅଛ।
You are
ସେ
playing.
ଖେଳୁଅଛି।
He is
ମୁଁ
playing.
ଖେଳୁଥିଲି।
I was
ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଥିବି।
I will be playing.
ମୁଁ ଖେଳିଥିବି।
I will have played.
ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳିଥିବି।
I will have played cricket.
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଥିବ କି?
Will you have spoken English?
ମୁଁ ସକାଳୁ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛି।
I have been in the class since morning.
ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ସକାଳୁ ଅଛ?
Why have you been in the class since morning?
ମୁଁ ସକାଳୁ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛି କାରଣ ମୋର କିଛି କାମ ଅଛି।
I have been in the class since morning because I have some work.
ତୁମେ ସକାଳୁ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଥିଲ କି?
Had you been in the class since morning?
ନା ମୁଁ ସକାଳୁ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ନଥିଲି।
No, I had not been in the class since morning.
ତୁମେ କିପରି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଅ?
How do you go to coaching?
ତୁମେ
How do you go to school?
How do you go to school? ମୁଁ ସାଇକେଲ ରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଏ।
I go to school on a cycle.
On cycle. ତୁମ ବ୍ୟାଗ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅଛି?
Where is your bag?
ମୋ ବ୍ୟାଗ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅଛି।
My bag is in the class.
ତୁମ ଲାପଟପ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅଛି?
Where is your laptop?
ମୋ ଲାପଟପ ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ ଅଛି।
My laptop is on the table.
ଟେବୁଲ। ତୁମେ ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଅଛ।
You are in front of me.
ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଅଛି।
I am in front of
ମୁଁ
you.
ଛିଡା ହୋଇଅଛି।
I am stand up.
ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଅଛି।
I am
ମୁଁ
playing.
ଲେଖୁଅଛି।
I am
ମୁଁ
writing.
ପଢୁଅଛି।
I am
ମୁଁ
writing.
ନାଚୁଅଛି।
I am
ତୁମେ
dancing.
ନାଚୁଅଛ।
You are
ସେ
dancing.
ନାଚୁଅଛି।
He is
He is
dancing.
dancing.